Yubang 5-axis Jewelry CNC Engraving Machine. Designed for precision machining of gold, silver, and other precious metals jewelry. Supports bangles, rings, pendants, beads, and more. Integrates engraving, milling, texturing, and drilling. Easily handles curved, convex, and concave surfaces. 5-axis linkage. A-axis cradle plus Z-axis rotation. 1 clamping for complex 3D surfaces. For 25 spindle, 5.5 kilowatts high torque, bigger range, faster cutting, for more jewelry sizes. 12 tool magazines, auto changer, no manual intervention. RTCP tooltip tracking for high precision and speed. Closed funnel chamber, low noise design, easy scrap collection. Metal recovery rate up to 99, 899, 9, no waste. Built-in 3,000 plus free design patterns, easy programming. HD touchscreen plus handwheel for flexible control. Easy for beginners. Suitable for jewelry factories, gold shops, schools, and design studios. If you're interested in this machine, contact us anytime.